Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video, and in this video we're going to be looking at the May 2017 past paper. This is paper 1F, that's the first paper in the foundation tier of the AQA GCSE 8300 series, and we're picking up in question 22, which says density is equal to mass over volume, or mass divided by volume. The mass of solid A is 6 times the mass of solid B. The volume of solid A is 3 times the volume of solid B. Complete the sentence. The density of solid A is something times the density of solid B. Okay, this might actually look intimidating at first because you don't actually know what the mass is of solid A or B. We just know that mass is 6 times B and the volume is 3 times, and we might be thinking, okay, we've got to look at ratios here and I'm not sure how to do this. It's not actually as difficult as it looks. All it is the mass of solid A is 6 times B. I'm just going to put 6x, 6 times, and the volume is 3 times, and the density, because it just asks for what's the density of solid A times the density of solid B, so the density is just mass over volume, which is given in the question, so it's just 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So the density of solid A is 2 times the density of solid B, and that's all there is to it for 1 mark. And question 22b says, average speed is equal to distance over time, or distance divided by time. If the distance is halved and the time is doubled, what happens to the average speed? Circle your answer. For some reason this stumped a lot of people, with nearly every single solution being given. The actual answer is divided by 4, but let's just try to explain this. So we've got distance over time, and our distance is halved, and our time is doubled. So this is just asking you what is 1/2 divided by 2. Well, if you've got half a pizza and you cut that half a pizza in half, you're going to get 1/4 of a pizza each. Or you've got 2/4 of a pizza. So half of a half is 1/4. We could also do this by saying this is the same as the fraction 1/2 divided by 2/1. And we know that to divide fractions we flip and multiply. So this is the same as 1/2 times 1/2, because the 1 goes on the numerator and the 2 comes down on the denominator. And then to multiply fractions we just multiply the numerator and denominator. So that's just equal to 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. So that's 1/4. So if the distance is halved and the time is doubled, then the average speed is divided by 4. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, especially if you're taking them this year. And I'll look forward to seeing you in another video.